So welcome to my continuous line drawing of a sunflower, everybody. To help me with this, I'm going to use a black tombow brush pen. Now, normally when I do continuous line drawings, I use the fine liner part. But for this, I'm going to use the brushy part because I want to capture the center of these sunflowers and make them really black. And the best way to do that is with the broad brushy part. So it's going to be a bit of a compromise because ideally the line work is so much better with the fine liner part, but there's not much we can do about that. So this is going to be a continuous line drawing because that's what it means. I do not take my pen off the page. It's going to be 5 minutes. It's a great exercise just to help with hand-eye coordination and also composition as well, because you can't stress too much about it. You just really go for it. It's just a really good technical exercise, and I do lots and lots and lots of these, but I've never done one before of a sunflower, and I've never used the brushy part, so I have no idea how it goes. Now, this little intro doesn't count as the time either. 5 minutes starts as soon as my pen touches the paper. Are we ready, Rebecca?
Yeah.
Are we ready? Okay, here we go, guys. So this is the center of the main sunflower, as you can see there. Just get that shape. Okay, now let's get these petals in. Let's get the initial ones down first, and we'll come back later on and do some layering. And this is great because it really makes you observe and look. Okay, let's do the layering effect now. These little ones just peeking up behind, you see? So to do these, I'm holding it as lightly as possible. So you really have to vary the pressure on the pen. Okay, so now we go down to this smaller one that's here. Do some leaves coming out. Got to go back on yourself for this. It's just a little bit tricky. And then the stem. So watch how I vary the thickness to get the stem. See, just using the side part.
That's 2 minutes gone.
And we've got one more up here.
That's 3 minutes.
I'm holding it very, very loosely at this stage. And a little bit heavier. It's all about pressure. Let's go back into the middle. This is just to give my concentration a rest for a few moments, because this is easy, doing this. Just make this a little bit darker again by giving it a second layer.
That's 4. Seconds left. Ten left.
There we go. That was just under, what was that, 4 minutes, 57 seconds?
Yeah, I'll give you that.
Okay, so that is it. That takes such concentration, but it's such great fun to do. It's a really good technical exercise. A 5-minute continuous line drawing. Doesn't have to be a sunflower, could be anything at all, but it's really good fun. It just helps you to capture all these different random shapes and how they all kind of fit together.